Nestor Geronimo, a 47-year-old male, has been a resident of Ojai for more than 17 years. One of 10 children, both Nestor's mother and father died of cancer. His mother was diagnosed with cervical cancer and passed away in 1977. His father was diagnosed with lung cancer and passed away in 1981. Because of this, Nestor and his siblings knew there was a high risk for cancer in their family. Nestor's older sister Nydia, a physician, recommended that he have a PSA test every year starting at age 40, and he took her advice.
Thanks to my sister Nydia, who recommended me to start having my PSA tested at age 40. So last year I went to have my physical done, and my PSA results were high, which was kind of alarming to me. My doctor said that it was probably normal, so he told me to go back in 2 months. When I went back, my PSA showed that even the results were even higher. I was really scared, but he told me, it was probably okay, and he recommended me to go to the urologist, Dr. Beaghler. And when I went to see him, he recommended me to have a biopsy of the prostate. I did, and the results came out positive. At that time, I was really scared, but he explained to me that they were good news. And he said that the cancer was contained, and it was at a stage 1. He gave me my options, and he said you can either do a regular surgery or you can have the prostatectomy with the Vinci. And he said that it is minimally invasive and the recovery time is much faster. So I decided to go for it. And then when I had the surgery, I remember getting to the hospital around 2, and then the surgery was done like around 5, 6. So and I remember when I woke up from anesthesia, I wasn't in pain, and everything, like I wasn't even uncomfortable. It was like I was attached to other things, but that was it. So I went home, and the next day I started being active because my Dr. Beaghler had said you need to be active. So I started being active in the morning, in the evening, and right after that, I thought, like, wow, that was the recovery time was so much. It was so fast, and I think it's because of the having chosen the Da Vinci for the surgery, because it was less invasive, and that allowed me to go back to my normal life much quicker. And now I feel like I'm cancer free, and I'm ready to enjoy the future.